French guy helped me out to do some footage here. It was very nice of him.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Vous voulez que je vous aide? Je fais la même chose.
C'est vrai?
J'ai une Africa Twin et je fais du voyage tout seul comme ça et je vous fais. Là, j'ai un champion aussi. Donc je connais le problème. Si vous voulez que je vous fasse une série avec la Kotubia.
Okay, time to go now. Time to leave Morocco, and I'm going to Rabat today. See you there. What the fuck? It charged at 3 kilowatt. What's the point? I don't need a charging station to charge at 3 kilowatt. My cable is too short. Seems I need a badge or something like this. There's a start button here. It doesn't do anything.
Salut.
I've been more successful with this one, but it's not as easy as I imagined because the McDonald's doesn't work. There is this one, which is a kind of open restaurant. I will see if they can keep my bags so that I can have some food in between because I didn't have lunch so far. All right, speak later.
I had a great lunch at the restaurant by the ocean. The risotto was excellent. The fondant au chocolat was truly one of the best I ever had. Just excellent fondant au chocolat. Anyway, let's go to Rabat. Ooh, mama.
So that's my first charge and it's free. Something is wrong with this station. It starts and it stops instantly. So I just got charged and suddenly it works. I have no idea why. I just plugged, unplugged, changed the order the way I was plugging things. I actually didn't follow their steps. And by not following their steps, it works.
C'est là? Bonjour. Non. J'enlève le casque. Ok, merci. Merci. Bonjour. C'est tout bon? Merci. Merci. Au revoir. They just opened the luggage, the three of them. That's it. Nothing else. Voilà. Gracias. Eléctrica.
¿Cuántos kilómetros?
200. Sí.
¿Te has podido recargar ahí un carbón?
¿Sí?
Un enchufe normal.
Sí.
Pero mucho tiempo, ¿no?
Ah, más o menos. Gracias. I'm in Gibraltar now. I wanted to finish this trip here with the lighthouse facing Africa. I hope you enjoyed the trip to Morocco. It's not finished. I mean, I have to make it home now, but I'm not sure I will do a lot of footage. I mean, tomorrow I will go to Ronda, then Seville. I will probably do some drone footage, post them on Instagram. I don't think I will do some complete YouTube video, so you can still follow me on Instagram, and I see you for my next trip. I think it will be further north this time. See ya.